It's this time of the year again when the Apea live event takes place in the Ricoh Arena in Coventry in the UK. As you can see here, Christmas has come early, and as usual there's a variety of interesting people to meet and to talk to, and we're really looking forward to meeting them. One of the first people we've met here is Bruno Kress from TCI. He's International Sales Manager for LPG pipes. So what's the reason for you being there, Bruno?
First of all, I want to support my UK distributor and present a new composite suite cover M-Way Pro classes B, C and D 400. And of course, one of my main focuses is the Thermoflex flexible reinforced LPG pipe, which we want also to introduce in the UK.
So what are the other regions or European regions that you're focusing at the moment?
For the LPG pipe, we have the Thermoflex brand for the whole globe. So we begin in some European countries like Italy, Spain, Turkey, and now we are focusing ourselves on the Russian market. 2 weeks ago we participated at the Auto Complex in Moscow, which was a great success for our pipe. So now we are ready to conquer the Russian market and also the Black Sea area, which is very important for us.
Sounds impressive.
It is.
As I understand it, the Russian market for LPG pipes is enormous, isn't it?
Yes, it's a very huge country with quite old infrastructure, and that's why we try to introduce our new flexible piping, because you know the traditional pipes is steel and they are leaking and corroding everywhere. So we expect a lot from the Russian market and the Black Sea area.
We wish you all the best, Bruno.
Thank you very much.
I'm here with Alex Boudry from Franklin Fueling Systems. He's speaking at the conference today, first time as I understand. So Alex, what is the topic of your speech?
Today I'll be talking about the FE Petro submersible pump, talking about submersible pumping technology, what a pump is, and how environmental protection for pumps has improved over the years to make pumping a safer business.
So are you a bit nervous about your first speech?
I am a little bit nervous, yeah, but I think I've done a lot of preparation and I know my subject matter, so I think it'll be okay. And it'll be at the end of the day, so I think most people will be asleep anyway.
So what is it that's important at the Apea today?
Lots of important products today, but our newest product is the T550 Evo tank gauge, which is our latest tank gauge model, high-speed processor, colour graphic touchscreen display, tells you all the information about your tank gauge levels, and also with the quick touch menu we can jump in and see status of our pressure lines, sump sensors, print reports, and generally very easy to use for the technician and also the kiosk operator on site.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you very much.
This is the Global MSI booth and I'm here with Managing Director Martin Stegels. So Martin, what are the key initiatives for structures and canopies in Europe at the moment?
The key initiatives and the key drivers at the moment in the forecourt business that relate to canopies, mainly health and safety. We're spending a lot of time on health and safety initiatives in the company at the moment. Key initiatives over the last 12 to 18 months, building canopies at ground level to reduce the risk associated with working at height is the main initiative, and we're also we're running some initiatives at the moment related to the reduction of risk in our maintenance work that we carry out on petrol station canopies, principally lining of gutters rather than replacing of gutters.
Are there any changes in technology you're utilising for building your structures and canopies at the moment?
Yeah, certainly that's an interesting question. There are changes in both technology and also materials that we're looking at the moment. Our structures are traditionally being built out of steel. steel products and also aluminium. We're now getting more and more inquiries from customers that are looking to lower their carbon footprint, and we are investigating structures made out of other materials at the moment. So we're investigating timber products, glulam products instead of structural steel, and also as a roof covering we're looking at solar panels, thin film, that sort of thing, so that the client gets a benefit from the feed-in tariffs that are available now, and also at the same time can lower their carbon footprint. So that's a very interesting area for us just at the moment.
One of the most simple and innovative products we've come across here at the Apea show is featured at the Pump Watch booth, and I'm with Siobhan Keogh from Ireland, who can tell me a little bit more about it.
Our measures are made from carbon fibre composite, which is a new material. Traditionally they would have been made from stainless steel or brass or copper. The main advantage of carbon fibre is it doesn't expand and contract when it's with temperature. It doesn't dent, and it's extremely lightweight. The majority of our CFX series are transported on a trolley, so from a health and safety perspective there's no lifting of heavy measures around the forecourt.
And you're not only marketing those products in Ireland, are you?
No, they're being used by legal metrology or weights and measures in 25 countries. We're around 15 years in business manufacturing carbon fibre test measures.
Thank you, Siobhan.
Thank you.
Brian Hum has just been re-elected as the chairman of the Apea. So Brian, we know what the Apea has done in the last 50 years in the UK and in recent years also in Europe. But for our readers who don't know anything about the Apea, can you sum up?
Yes, the Association of Petroleum and Explosive Administration, known as the Apea, is a body of industry and regulators working together to provide technical solutions and input for various topics within the downstream oil industry. We produce a guidance document known as the Blue Book, which is a maintenance, decommissioning, construction of petrol filling stations, which is very well received. And it's just an open forum for members, and the members own the association, and we are non-profit making, and it's just a technical forum for people to join and get ideas from.
And you have recently also worked all over the world, so what is that all about?
The APA provide training courses and attend forums and conferences throughout the world. We've provided training in the Middle East recently. We've attended conferences in Malaysia and South Africa, and it's basically spreading the word for the APA. We now have worldwide membership from far afield as Australia, Singapore, Europe, most America.
And so how has the event gone so far today?
The event today has been very well received. We have a good level of attendance today. We even have regulators here, which in the current economic climate we were surprised to see them, but they have attended. And it's been a very, very, very good exhibition so far.
And so about the conference, what were the most important topics at the conference?
Very good attendance to the conference. We've had good speakers. We've had a lot of input on biofuels, the problems in the USA and the UK. We've had presentations on tank lining systems from a German expert. We've had presentations on the Blue Book, the one I mentioned earlier on, and the changes in the third edition that's just been published, and various other presentations from experts in their field, and they've all been very, very well received.
Thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
It's always nice to bump into Bob Conlon from Fairbanks. So Bob, you're actually also involved in the organisation of the Apea, are you?
Yeah, Sandra, I'm wearing two hats today, as well as making sure that Fairbanks is represented well. I'm also chairman of the events committee for the Apea, have been for 6 years now in helping to keep this event as prestigious and important and relevant to our industry. So really pleased it's going well, with about 46 exhibitors here today, with 2 conference sessions this morning, this afternoon, and the finale, of course, is our dinner tonight, our awards dinner, where up to 6 organisations will be winning awards for their achievements in the year, and some great entertainment, and of course the best networking opportunity in our UK industry.
Have you got any idea who will win an award tonight?
Well, Sandra, I think you know me well enough as a man of integrity. and I really cannot share. I do know who's won, and they are well deserving, so we're really pleased, and it should be a really good finale tonight.
Tonight we're of course focused on all the nominated companies for the 6 award categories. Best of luck to you all. However, before we celebrate the finalists, it is worth adding that this ceremony marks the end of a year-long process to find our nominees and winners. And I would like to thank every single company that submitted an entry. Everyone who entered shares our desire to raise industry standards and mark excellent innovations. So my thanks to you all.
Give to Liz. After this, I will be a Don. I'll even get gold like my name is John. Yeah, you know, cause I have a plan. Man,